Oh, I heard about you. I heard you got defeated. Look, if you haven't read it yet, like, comment, subscribe, join the Inspire family. We get better, do better, and we be better. What's up, family? Now today, tip of the day is, look, we may encounter so many defeats in our life, but we must not be defeated. We got to strive for greatness still. If you're down, you will come back up. As long as you're still living in this world, you have so many chances. I understand that it's not a good feeling to be defeated, but it's going to give you so many lessons, you know. It's going to give you so many options where you could be like, look, okay, this is where I messed up at, this is what I could fix, you know. So sometimes taking a loss, you know, being defeated is always, it's a good thing, you know. It's going to build you to be a better you. Remember that. If you guys like watching this tip of the day video, I will post some more. Please like, comment, subscribe, and join this family. I got more content coming soon, guys. I'm very excited because I'm going to be posting video every single day for y'all, okay? And so you haven't read it yet, you already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, smash the button like it's hump day. Let's go. See you guys next time in the next motivational, inspirational video.